Our next stop in our Chao Tour episodes is inspired by the amazing coffee culture in Australia and New Zealand, where you will find the best coffee in the world. KAFFEINE is an independently owned cafe and espresso bar with 2 locations in London, and now I am going to be walking into the one which is located just 5 minutes from Oxford Circus. Hello.
Hi.
Well, I heard you have the best cortado in town. Is that correct? Is that true?
Yeah, the whole cafe is Australian, so the menu is inspired by Australia.
Is the owner Australian?
Yeah, the owner is from Melbourne, Sydney.
Oh, okay, good. Yep, I would like to have one cortado, please.
A cortado?
Yes. Okay. That is amazing. Very good. A little bit of fruity taste, but altogether, I think I would say this is probably the best cortado I've had, at least during this trip. So I'm just halfway through my salad here and my cortado, and I happen to be sitting next to a lovely lady here. She's from the US. Hello.
Hanile.
So are you from the UK?
No, I'm actually from America.
Okay, so we are here at KAFFEINE, and tell me, are you a regular here?
I wouldn't consider myself a regular, but I've been coming for a few years now. Yeah, it's definitely one of my favorite places for coffee in London, actually. Even though now I live a bit far from the coffee shop, whenever I'm in Central, I'll try and come here.
Okay, what did you order today?
For me, just a flat white, which is quite gone at this point, but yeah.
Tell me, what do you like about your coffee?
I like how they blend the espresso and the milk well, because I feel like a lot of times you'll almost taste the separation between the espresso and the milk, which I feel like is maybe a lame description, but I don't really have the words to describe it better. Whereas here you taste them as if there's kind of like a harmony between the two. And so that's what I really like about it. And also, they always have different guest roasters and everything, so you never know sometimes, like, it's always different. It's not like you go and it's the exact same time, or the exact same thing every single time. If I am nervous about a coffee shop, or like if I don't really know how good it's going to be, or if I know their coffee's not so good, then, or good in terms of the way that I like it, then I'll order a latte, because even if it's not so great, then there's so much milk in it that it manages to kind of balance it out. Whereas if a place has coffee where I really actually want to taste the espresso, I'll go for the flat white instead. Definitely. Like, it's always so good, and the staff are so nice as well. He's not in today, but usually you'll also see the owner around as well. So it's really nice as well when, you know, you have a coffee shop that's been so popular for so long, and you'll see the owners like actually behind the bar, like making the coffees and interacting with customers. I don't know him super well, but I've seen him in here quite a few times. I feel like half the amount of times that I come here, he's somewhere around. I haven't yet. I've had cortados in the past. I don't know. I always find I'm not quite strong enough for them, because I also like when I drink coffee for it to be a longer process. I like to just sit and like sip on it and read my book or like kind of people watch. And if I get something small, I drink through it so quickly. Whereas if I get a flat white, I still taste the espresso like quite strongly, but I get to really drag out the process. Oh, I read history of arts with a focus on medieval and early modern.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
I've taken a few sips of my Cortado here, and the more I take a sip, the stronger it gets, which is what I like in a way. Absolutely a delightful experience for me, and the way it was presented is absolutely perfect. The taste of the coffee is just delightful, and the balance of the milk is also there. I would say even the way she prepared it is exactly like how a Cortado should be. Not a lot of milk, and especially for those that don't like too much milk in their coffee, I really would recommend that you start moving from flat white to Cortado. Well, that's all I'd like to share with you today, and if you have been to this place, share in the comments below. I'll see you again for more of this Chao and Chao videos. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned, and keep on watching. Ciao.